Hello friends, do you want to earn passive income and you don't know how to start a blog? Then this video is for you. Watch this video till the end. I have blogging experience of more than 10 years and I have written thousands of blogs and literally I am earning while I am sleeping. So you can also do that. But for that, you need to start a blog. The first step is niche selection. You should select that niche on which you can consistently work for a longer time duration. Don't chase that niche which is high paying until and unless you don't have interest in it. There are several niches on which you can start a blog like digital marketing, artificial intelligence, technology, travel, business, career, personality development, makeup, and many other niches. First of all, you need to purchase a domain name and a hosting. You can opt for GoDaddy, Hostinger, or any other domain providers. Make sure to select the right domain name. Do keyword research before you purchase domain name. So what is keyword research and how I can do keyword research? Don't worry, my dear friend. I will add the playlist link in the ending of this video. So you can watch dedicated video for each and every step getting discussed over here in this video. After choosing a domain name, you need to connect your domain name with hosting. Then you need to install WordPress CMS on your domain name. Once your WordPress application gets installed, you can start designing your website. You need to create some essential pages like home page, about us page, contact us page, privacy policy page, terms and condition page, and other pages. Later you can install some important plugins like Yoast SEO WP optimizer for optimizing images and Yoast SEO for doing on-page SEO of your blog, and many other plugins like Elementor, Jetpack, WP Cache, Ninja Form, etc. Once your blog gets set up, you can start writing blog post on it, but make sure do keyword research before. Find some keywords having high search volume, low competition, and have informational user intent. You need to write high quality content. You need to focus on keyword density. You need to focus on headings and subheadings, images, adding alt text to the images, renaming the images, as well as make sure your content is not plagiarized. You need to consider search engine optimization, the SEO part as well for your blog post. You need to do on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and make sure to add internal and external hyperlinks, rename images before adding in your blog post, add alt text to it, make sure your blog post have headings and subheadings, and your slug must have keyword in it. You need to consider many of the SEO parameters like page load speed, SSL certificate, vintage, content cluster, topic cluster, keyword density, keyword cannibalization, short tail and long tail keywords, and many more. Then you should start publishing your content consistently. After that, you need to connect your website with Google Search Console. You need to submit sitemap in Google Search Console so that Google starts indexing your web pages in Google search engine result page. You need to also connect your blog with Google Analytics to analyze the traffic, from which source the traffic is coming onto your blog and how long they are staying on your web page, so that you can make necessary improvements on your blog. Later, start promoting your blog on other platforms like Facebook page, Instagram account, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora, and many more. And last, don't forget to monetize your blog. Connect your blog with Google AdSense. Start doing affiliate marketing. You can also sell digital products or online courses to make a good passive income. There are several mistakes that beginners commit. What are they? Stop using AI for generating content. Don't create very thin content. Don't create broad content. Publishing inconsistently. Ignoring website speed and optimization. Not building internal links and expecting traffic within few days. So this is how you can start a blog. I have added the playlist link. You can watch each and every step in dedicated video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And you can also download Digital Bikana app to start learning digital marketing. Thank you.